Hey guys, I'm Marley Oxenholm from Hacker Arsenal, a Pentester Academy initiative. We recently launched our newest product, WiMonitor Enterprise. So today, I'm going to be showing you what you'll be receiving when you order one. So once you've got your device out of the box, this is what it will look like. WiMonitor Enterprise has two radios, one dedicated to 2.4 GHz and the other to 5 GHz, allowing you to monitor any band, including 802.11, A, B, G, and AC. It can do automatic channel hopping, ensuring it can pick up packets sent on 20, 40, 80 MHz channels, and it is also compatible with Wireshark. The Enterprise hardware has a 3x3 MIMO and can capture high-speed 802.11 AC data packets sent up to 1300 megabits per second data rate. It's also going to come with these Cat6 cables and power adapter so you can plug it in and start using it immediately. Simply connect the device to the Cat6, plug it into the computer, and you can get started. And of course, we include stickers with every order. So as soon as this package arrives at your doorstep, you can immediately plug and play. For more detailed technical videos and demonstrations of the WiMonitor Enterprise, we would highly encourage you to check out over 3 hours of product demo videos we have created and linked on our WiMonitor Enterprise product page. Make sure to visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our other latest attack defense gadgets.